guys, so you saw that big puff of greasy smoke she just let out there. So the Subaru needs a little bit of help. So I recently got this car on the road. Everywhere I drove it, it was just a big old... it was just a big old stinky fucking Subaru going down the road. So we got a check engine light. I'm gonna plug the scanner into it, see if it's anything new. I think that before there was some kind of evap code, but that's kind of irrelevant to the amount of smoke coming out of there. So hopefully it's just overfueling like a motherfucker. It's kind of a weird smoke. It's not like a blue, like it's blue sometimes. I mean, that's whatever. More of like a gray kind of white, kind of a gray white smoke coming out of her. And it doesn't smell like coolant, it just smells like not that good. So let's plug the scanner into it and see what's going on. Hopefully it's just a simple fix. Oh, my fat ass. She's just auto-detecting. We got two old codes. We got an auction sensor, sensor circuit voltage low. Can do some tests there. Okay, so with it being the front O2 sensor, if our circuit is low, the sensor could be just bad in general. I want to find there it is, rear O2 sensor. We want to kind of see what it's doing. Because we're on the initial startup, you know, the engine is heating itself up. We won't get any good data until the O2 sensor itself is heating up and we're in closed loop. So we may have to go for a drive real quick just to get it there. But right now we're kind of jumping around quite a bit. That should stay steady right at around, you know, 3, 4, 5, like 0.345 volts, which is kind of all over the place. This thing rips, man. Messy ass garage. All right, we'll hang the car out. We don't smoke ourselves out. All right, boys, so I went ahead, did some tests off camera. So turns out we do need to replace the front O2 sensor. So I have one. This one is from Napa, not sponsored, but full price. Anyways, we're gonna get this O2 sensor installed on the car. We're gonna double check our readings with the scanner, make sure the rear O2 sensor is happy with what's going on in there. And but based off what I'm seeing, obviously there's way too much fuel in there. Toss this guy in and go for another drive and double check. So the guy we're after lives way down there. Hopefully it comes out. Doesn't strip nothing, because that would suck. Okay, so I know you can't see much, but you know, neither can I. So was my wrench too long? Yes. Come on. Oh, now it's going. Thank the Lord. I'll do it by hand now. Didn't take the threads, so it's a bonus. The German torque spec on that one there. Load her all in the right way. Oh, why does the whole thing fall apart? Oh yeah, the whole arsifer fell out of her. Oh, there we go. Cool. Now we just got some extra dangly bits here, but we'll just zip tie them out of the way after the fact. So there we go. The new sensor's installed. Just got to tidy up this long mess here. Just give her one of those. Just tighten it up a little bit. But for now, let's hop back in the car, start it up. We'll clear the codes first, then start it up and see what our rear O2 reading is. And if she's happy, I'm happy. So we'll go ahead, just erase the codes. Erase, engine off, freeze frame data, all that junk. Okay, so we'll turn the car off, wait 15 seconds, turn it back on. Hop on over to live data. Oh, lights off. Go to rear O2 sensor. So she's already doing much better. We're hovering right around 4. We might touch 5 a little bit, but that's completely normal. So yeah, I'm happy with the 5s. Give her a couple revs. Cool. I'm happy with that. Let's see if she's smoking.